Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, I will be explaining to you how to write a synopsis of your story. If you would like to know more, then stay tuned and keep on watching. Be sure and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button so you'll never miss any more writing related videos here on my channel. So without further ado, let's get started. Writing a synopsis seems difficult, but it really isn't as hard as you think it is. So you might be asking yourself, what is a synopsis? This is a summary of your book and plot that enables your readers to determine if your book suits their tastes and preferences. A good synopsis covers the main conflict and resolution within your story, and also describes the important emotional and psychological development of your protagonist. In simplest terms, if you take a book and you turn it over to the back and you see a couple paragraphs at the back, at the top, that is the synopsis. In other words, it's the main idea. It's giving your readers a hint of what the book will be about. How to write a synopsis. First, you need to outline your synopsis. You need to take your 100,000 or however long word story and condense it to its key events, including your protagonist's normal life, the inciting incident, the major developments and arises within your plot, and the final resolution. So in other words, you're breaking down your plot into pieces, and you're letting your reader put them back together. So it's basically doing a puzzle. You'll need to write 300 words of each piece. So that means 300 words for the protagonist's normal life, 300 words for the inciting incident, 300 words for the major developments and crisis, and 300 words for the resolution. Then you will start your synopsis. Which brings us to the second step, actually writing your synopsis. Once your book is broken down into pieces, you can continue writing the synopsis of your book. In the synopsis, there are no scenes, no settings, no creatures, no beasts, and no beasts. The synopsis focuses on the juicy meat of your plot and the journey that your protagonist will be going on. The first paragraph is where you will embellish the beginning of your story by introducing the protagonist and giving little glimpses into their normal life. The second paragraph is where you introduce the other main characters and their relationship to the protagonist and the book's main plot. You will also be including any obstacles your protagonist faces, but do not include any information about settings, subplots, and backstory, or you'll bog down your synopsis with unnecessary information. The third paragraph is where you offer how your story ends to whoever you're showing will want to know how your book ends before reading the entire manuscript. Once you've actually written your synopsis, then it's time to edit your synopsis. It's important to focus on strong word usage and character development. The synopsis should be a play-by-play of exactly how your book will be. The biggest mistake made when editing a synopsis is where writers are only telling the plot, which comes across more like they're talking to the readers instead of telling them a story. So do not go into too much detail, because then you won't have a synopsis, you'll have your book. Now you've written your synopsis, your entire synopsis. So now this is where you will trim away the details to 500 to 1,000 words and you'll be golden. But you need to remember that this 500 to 1,000 word book spoiler is the most important writing you'll ever do. It needs to engage the readers from the first words and keep them captivated until the very end. And then, whether you're a new writer or you're a routine writer, you want many eyes on your synopsis before publishing across the internet. So you can test it on your family and friends, beta readers, or you can even get a professional editor to look at it. That is all the tips that I have for writing a synopsis of your book. I hope that you find this video helpful. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and you want to see more of these kinds of videos. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button so you'll never miss any more videos on my channel. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!